Hello, students. Let us study about sexual reproduction. How do organism reproduce? Chapter 8, Class 10. See, here already we studied about how the DNA copying occur, and the two different individuals in population would have quite different pattern of accumulated variation. If two different individuals, they have different DNA, means deoxyribonucleic acid is genetic information is different, and variated means differentiated. Okay, here all these variations are in living individual. It is assured that they do not have any really bad effect. It does not affects. Okay, combining variation from two or more individual would create new combination. There are two or more individuals would thus create new combination of variants. Okay, there is a new combination. Okay, each combination would be novel, and since it would involve two different individuals, it is a sexual mode of reproduction. Okay, the sexual mode of reproduction incorporates such process of combining of DNA from two different individuals during reproduction. In sexual reproduction, there is a incorporation of two individuals information in one person. Okay, why this question will arise? Why the sexual mode of reproduction is required? Because it is a mode of more variation than asexual reproduction. The differentiation occur in the new person. Okay, and this creates major difficulty. Each new generation is to be combining of DNA copies from two pre-existing two individuals, one the male and female gamete. There is a fusion of the male and female gamete and DNA of the single copy of DNA by semi-conservative method. These two combine, new combination is occur. Okay, twice the amount of DNA that previous generation had. Okay, this is like to mess up the control of the cellular apparatus of the DNA means deoxyribonucleic acid. It is in multicellular organism found the problem of mentioned above. It has a special lineage of the cell, specialized organ. They have the specialized organ in which only the half number of chromosomes and half amount of DNA is compared to the non reproductive body cells. Okay, half amount body cells will be there, half amount DNA will be there. Cell consists of nucleus chromosome. Inside the nucleus there is a chromosomes. Thus germ cells from two individuals uh, combines during sexual reproduction to form new individual. The germ cells combines and there is a formation of new individual. The result in re-establishment of the number of chromosome and the DNA content in new generation. The DNA content in the new generation is different. Okay, germ cells. These germ cells are also known as sex cells, gametes, and reproductive cells. There are four names are there. What do you mean by germ cells? Germ cells are also known as sex cells, gametes, or reproductive cells. Okay, and zygote is to grow and develop into the organ which has highly specialized tissue and organ. Okay, male and female gametes fusion and there is a formation of zygote. The zygote means male and female gamete fusion, there is a formation of zygote. Okay, it is to grow and develop the organism which has highly specialized tissue and organs. It has a highly specialized tissue. Okay, then it has sufficient stores of energy. Doing this, it is a simple organism. There are two germ cells. They are different from one another, and there is a formation of complex cell. How the complex is formed? One germ cell is a large and it contain a food store, while other is similar to that, likely to be motile. Conventionally, motile germ cells are called male gamete, and the germ cell containing stored food is called female gamete. Okay, this female gamete is large and male gamete is small. These two combines and there is a formation of fusion, then it is known as zygote. There are 46 chromosomes in human being, 23 from male, 23 chromosomes from female, and there is a formation of fusion, and there is a formation of zygote, that is 46 chromosome. Totally 46 chromosomes are present in human beings. Okay, male gamete combines female gamete, and there is a formation of zygote.